Hello, good night. My name is José Mauricio Carreño Aguilar. My group is 9000369. The presentation of the Bogota city is the next. Hello, this is Bogota presentation. Bogota is a capital of Colombia. You can see people from all over the country. The city has many hotels to select your preferred options. The food is cheaper in supermarket can be more expensive in restaurant. So if you prefer to save money, you should have paid for other with food you include. The plan for 3 days. The first day, you can visit the Monserrate Hill in the morning. You should use the cable car and you can do a picnic. Then you can go to the El Viejo Rancho restaurants to take a lunch. After that, you can take a coffee and visit the Palacio Arzobispal and finally come back to the hotel. The second day, you can visit the Salitre Mágico Park. That park have a roller coaster and other place to take a lunch too. Then you can go to Golden Music in the afternoon. In the night, you can visit to Caldera, look out and take to a chocolate. You should use a jacket. The third day, you can visit to Downtown because you need to buy a present for your family. And finally, you could take a Colombian beer in one nightclub. Monserrate Hill, Golden Museum, Botero Museum, Simon Bolivar Park, and more places to visit in the beautiful city. Due to Bogota is the capital of Colombia, Bogota has many typical foods, but the most important food in Bogota is the ajiaco soup. If you want to visit Bogota, you should be right because the city have a low cost to tourist people. The cost of the trip three for 3 days and 2 nights are between $1,000 and $2,000. Thank you. See you later.